Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is scene part, question number 1 to 3. I repeat, our today's topic is scene part, question number 1 to 3. Dear students, look at board. This is our third lecture on our annual examination syllabus and SW number 2. I repeat, this is our third lecture on our annual examination syllabus and SW number 2. Dear students, before going to our main session, I want to see you two pictures. Look at the board. Here I have given two pictures, number 1 and 2. In the first picture we see some boats are on the rivers and people, that means river gypsies, are in the boats. In the second picture we see some people, that means river gypsies, are taking rest in the tents. These two pictures represent our today's title or today's lesson, River Gypsies in Bangladesh. So all of you open your EFT book, this book, EFT book, page number 82 and 83. Page number 82 and 83. So from our book, page number 82 and 83, we will start our reading. This lesson is very important for your JSC examination. So I hope that all of you will give your maximum attention to the class. So give attention and open your book again, page number 82 and 83. Read the text and answer the question number 1 and 2. River gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. So look at the first sentence. River gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. Look at the meaning of gypsy. A member of a traveling people. I repeat, gypsy meaning is a member of a traveling people, and ethnic means of relating to a population of subgroup, not the main group. So ethnic means of relating to a population of subgroup. They are known as Bede to local people. That means local people call them Bede. The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groups and do not own any land. That means they live in groups, that means they live in together and do not have any land. Therefore, they live in a nomadic life. They live in a nomadic life. Now we will go to the keywords. That means nomadic means refers to a person who travels from place to place. Look at board again. Nomadic means refer to a person who travels from place to place. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in small country boats. These boats are their houses and these peoples are a part of our waters. In winter, many water bodies dry up. That means during the winter season, when the water bodies dry up, at that time they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents. Tarpaulin means, we will go to the keywords to know the meaning of tarpaulin. So heavy waterproof sheet of a cloth. I repeat, tarpaulin means a heavy waterproof sheet of a cloth. Tents on open river banks, you can see their men relaxing in the tents. So in the second number picture, we see that men are relaxing in the tents. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Toddlers. So go to the keywords to know the meaning of toddlers. Toddlers means children who are typically 2 or 3 years old. I repeat, toddlers means children who are typically 2 or 3 years old. Women often idle away or pass away their time by here doing picking of lice in 2 or 3 sittings in a row. Throughout the monsoon, that means during the monsoon or during the rainy season, they remained busy with fishing. They also dive for natural pearls in waters. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks. Men catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal cures. So look at the meaning herbal cures. Herbal cures means made from natural herbs or medicinal plant. Herbal cures means made from natural herbs or medicinal plant. Women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics and other things. They also try to heal pains of old people, often by sucking out blood from their body. Many villagers believe in the magical power of the gypsies. They can make an evil spirit leave someone's body by magic or special powers. Dear students, this is our reading. Now we will go to our question sessions. At first MCQ. So look, now choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answer in your answer script. Number A, the word gypsy in line 1 of the text means. So look, gypsies means traveling people, roaming people, one of the vagabond races, all of the above. So we know the meaning of the gypsies is traveling people, roaming people, one of the vagabond races. These all represent the gypsy. So number 4 is all of the above is the correct answer. I repeat, number 4 is the correct answer, all of the above. The term ethnic is connected with option people, plants, animals, fishes. We will go to the passage to understand. River gypsies are an ethnic group of people. So we have got the answer, that means people. The term ethnic is connected with people. River gypsies live in a dash life. So look, poor, different, cultured, nomadic. In the passage, we have got the answer, that means therefore they live in a nomadic life. So look here, nomadic life, that means traveling from one place to another. So river gypsies live in a nomadic life. We will go to next page. They remain busy catching fish, option in autumn, in wet season, in hot season, in rainy season. So the correct answer is in rainy season they remain busy catching fish. The children of gypsies play with dash in the dust. Look at the option, village people, pet animals, their parents, their mother. So here we have got the answer. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. So option number B is the correct answer. The children of gypsies play with pet animals. Many villagers believe in the magical power of the dash. Option magician, Bede, tribals, ethnic peoples. Here the correct answer will be the gypsies or the Bede. Many villagers believe in the magical power of the Bede or the gypsies. That means option number B is the correct answer. They can drive the evil spirit away by option herbal medicine, sucking blood, magic power, other things. So look at the passage to get the accurate answer. They can make an evil spirit leave or away someone's body by magic or magical or special power. That means magic or magical power is the correct answer. Yes, magic power. So our MCQ session is done. Now we will go to our question answer. Question number 2. Answer the following question from your reading of the above text. Who are river gypsies? Number A. Who are river gypsies? Look at the answer now. River gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh who pass their life on boats. Very common answer. Number B. What do river gypsies do in winter? What do river gypsies do in winter? In winter, many water bodies dry up. That means we have got the answer from our passage. The river gypsies pass their time relaxing in the tents. In winter, many water bodies dry up. The river gypsies pass their time relaxing in the tents. C number question answer. How can they drive away the evil spirit? Answer. Many villagers believe in the magical power of the gypsies. That means many villagers believe in the magical power of the gypsies. They can drive away the evil spirit by magic or special power. From the passage we have got the answer. Now last question number is, name 4 activities of the river gypsies. Name 4 activities of the river gypsies. Answer. 4 activities of the river gypsies are fishing, catching snakes, entertaining people and selling herbal cures. So look, I have given here in Roman number, that means 4 activities of the river gypsies. Now our answer the question session is done. We will go to the question number 3. Read in the following text and fill in the gaps with appropriate words to make it a meaningful one. Look, Nokshi Katha. What is it? Nokshi Katha is a kind of dash quilt. So Nokshi Katha is a kind of embroidered quilt. EMBROIDERED, embroidered or decorated. Anyone you will write, decorated. I repeat, Nokshi Katha is a kind of dash quilt. It will be embroidered or decorated quilt. The name was from the Bengali word Noksha, which means dash pattern. It will be artistic pattern or skilled pattern. Artistic is the correct answer. ARTISTIC, artistic. I repeat, Noksha, which means artistic pattern. It is a kind of dash craft and it is said to be. It is a kind of dash craft, that means traditional or ancestral. It is a kind of dash, traditional or ancestral or primitive. You can choose anyone. Craft and is said to be dash to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. Is said to be indigenous or native. It is indigenous or native to Bangladesh and West Bengal. Indigenous, look at the spelling, INDIGENOUS, indigenous or native. In India, the art has been practiced in dash Bengal for centuries. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal. Rural Bengal for centuries. The name Nokshi Katha became popular after the poet Joshimuddin's poem Nokshi Kathar Mat, published in 1929. 1929. So look at the end of our board. I have given your SW. Your SW is Unit 7, Lesson 3, Scene Part A, question number 2 and 3. That means question number 2 and 3, these 2 items are your SW. You will do your SW in your SW copy. Now dear students, I hope that all of you have understood this lesson, as this lesson is very important for your annual examination and the JSC examination. Keep practicing and keep reading the text again and again so that you can answer properly question number 3. And do your SW, eat a balanced diet, do physical exercise regularly and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.